Sample recipes to get you started on your paleo journey. Breakfast recipe: paleo breakfast burritos. Ingredients: 2 paleo tortillas, 2 eggs, 1 red bell pepper, half a yellow onion, pepper to taste. Directions: dice the red bell pepper and yellow onion. Use your preferred method to warm the paleo tortillas. You can either microwave them or warm them up for a few seconds on each side on a skillet heated to medium-low heat. Flip frequently until desired warmth is achieved. In a medium skillet, heat cooking spray over medium heat. Cook the diced bell peppers and the yellow onion together until onions are translucent and bell pepper soft. Crack the eggs into the pan and whisk together until scrambled and fully cooked, about 4 minutes. Salt and pepper to taste, then place in tortilla and serve warm. Lunch recipe: paleo turkey lettuce wraps. Ingredients: 8 pieces deli turkey meat, 2 large pieces of lettuce for the wrap, salt and pepper to taste, 1 avocado sliced, 1 tomato diced or sliced, whatever you prefer, mayo to taste, sprigs of fresh basil to taste. Directions: spread the lettuce leaves out as widely as you can. Spread your mayo and basil sprigs over the lettuce. Next, add the avocado. Sprinkle the tomato, then place the deli slices over the lettuce and roll them up. Serve immediately and enjoy cold. Dinner recipe: paleo slow cooker chicken recipe. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 3 cups of vegetable stock, pepper to taste. Directions: season your chicken with your preferred ingredients. In this recipe, simple pepper suffices. Next, place the chicken breasts and the vegetable stock in the slow cooker so that the chicken breast is covered by the stock. You can adjust as needed. Turn on the slow cooker and allow it to cook until completed using the high setting. This should take approximately 2.5 hours depending on your slow cooker. Dessert recipe: amazing peanut butter and banana smoothie with cacao nibs. Ingredients: 2 frozen bananas, 2 tablespoons of raw peanut butter, 2 cups of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of cacao nibs. Directions: first blend the frozen bananas in your blender on high. This can also be done in a food processor but should be transferred to the blender once completed. Add in the almond milk, then the raw peanut butter and cacao nibs. Blend an additional 30 seconds until smoothie is your desired consistency. You can also add ice cubes if you prefer a thicker consistency, but those should not be put in a food processor at all. When smoothie is your desired consistency, transfer to a glass and serve immediately.